Hey everyone, welcome back to London Travelers. Here we are in our apartment in Jakarta, right above Kota Kasablanka Mall. Excuse the mess, honestly, I was so tired after getting here and we have a baby, so things can get a little chaotic. So this is our living room. We've got a nice bar area over here and a TV for those cozy movie nights. It's a great space for relaxing, even if it's a bit messy right now. Next up is the first bedroom. This is my bedroom and I love it because it overlooks the street below. It's nice to watch the hustle and bustle of the city from here. You can actually see the streets light up at night. This is the kitchen. It's very basic but enough to do your cooking. It's also got a cupboard where you can get your pots and pans. Now let's check out our second bedroom. It comes with its own bathroom, which is super convenient, perfect for guests or for when we need a bit of extra space. And here's bathroom number 2. It's handy to have an extra bathroom, especially with a baby in the house. This is the third bedroom, so handy if you have a baby that needs to sleep independently. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please comment, like and subscribe.